Howdy folks, TJ here. Today is the day to do first boot on the SAM Coupe. I decided it's not going to be SAM Coupe, like I heard some folks say, and I've heard some people say SAM Coupe like I also did, but it's like the Little Deuce Coupe song, you know, Coupe, Coupe. So it's going to be SAM Coupe from now on, for me at least. Got everything connected, and I want to do a first boot, see what happens. By the way, I've been reading the manual that came with the SAM Coupe, and I love it. It's similar to the Timex Sinclair TS 2068 manual I have, that it's got lots of fun little graphics. And I like fun little graphics in my manuals. And you'll see that there's all sorts of them. Little Sam, I guess that's his name. I had asked that in the groups. So it's Sam's Coupe. Makes sense? Little sports car, computer. Here's another one, little pictures. So yeah, I'm loving the manual. Very fun. So, what have I got connected up here? So I'm going to be using my, and you can't see it in the picture, but over here I use my trusty UMI up transformer that transfers 110 up to 220 volt, which is what this SAM is. I've got connected the power supply that came with it, and I am using, I purchased from Colin, and I was pronouncing it Quasar, but I'm guessing it's probably Quasar, like the old TV sets from olden days. I don't know if you remember that company, Quasar. I do. And so I purchased the cable, the SCART cable, and what I'm doing is I'm running it to one of these little, and I don't want to pull it all apart, but HDMI converters, SCART to HDMI converter. And hopefully it works like it does on my Spectrum. So what I have coming out of here is the SCART cable I purchased from Colin, and it's going to the SCART port on the device and then up to my 34-inch HDMI. This is a monitor, not a TV. So I have to pipe sound to it. So what I've done is, fortunately, the little converter that I have has a 3.5 speaker port. So I've connected my speakers to it. So next to the TV, you may see these little purple rings. Those are my little RGB speakers I've got connected up to it. So hopefully I can get some sound. So if all goes well, I think I've got it connected up properly, and I'm going to try it. So first, I'm going to turn on the up converter. And when I do that, I'm getting a little humming from this power supply unit. Maybe that's common, no idea. But yeah, a little bit of humming from it. Computer's connected, again, only two cables. I've got the SCART cable and power supply. That's it. So, now's the big, I'm going to reach around. There is a big power button back here. Yep. All right. 3, 2, 1. Hey! Cool. So this always comes up on my monitor. It looks like it's grabbing a 1024-768 at 60 hertz input PAL from the SCART. I can play around on the box. There are different settings you can go through, but right now I'm going to leave it be. I'm getting video. And I guess this is the Miles Gordon Technology 1990 SAM Coupe 512K. So cool. I've got that. And I do remember, I should have wrote it down, but I didn't. I need to find out which version of the ROM I have on this. I guess I want version like 3 or something. Otherwise, I should buy the updated ROM from Colin, who sells all this fun stuff. So I've got a video. What's next? So I've been kind of reading the book. I'm just going to hit the return key, and I think that drops me out to basic. Let's go ahead and just type in something. 10 print quotes. Whoop, that's not a quote. Hey, it's got a delete key. Nice. So how do I get quote? Okay, there's quote. Hello, SAM Coupe. End quote. All right, so I'm in basic. Cool. 20, go to 10. And I'm just going to say run and let's see what happens. Most basics are all pretty similar. Yay! Scroll! No! Don't want it to keep going. Cool. So I've got video. On this monitor, my experience is I get some of these streaky lines. Pretty common probably with the HDMI SCART adapter. But I've got video, so that's good. I can always try a better HDMI to SCART connector adapter later. I know there's some that are around $100 to $200 and some odd dollars. OSSC, which is an open source SCART to HDMI converter. And then this other one I've been looking into lately, RetroTink 2X SCART. That's another one that's supposed to be popular. But for now, these are like 30, 40 bucks, and it's worked for my Spectrum fine. A little bit of lag, but not too bad. All right, so I've got my SAM booted. Cool. So with the SAM, I did receive this. This is my only software. It's got one floppy drive. And I remember seeing in here, the seller stuck some other stuff in here, and I think one of them had the word demo. So that might be good for me. Demo disc 1, all right. This is Defenders of Earth, some game. I don't know if I want to play a game quite yet on this first boot video. I just want to see if it boots and I get sound and that fun stuff. So let me get this all back in the case here. All right, so hopefully floppy works. So I'm going to stick that over there. Itchy nose, allergy day. So I've got SCP DSA Demo Disc 1. And it says F9 to load. So I'm going to just wing it here and stick the floppy in. Little orange light came on for a second. I'm going to hit that F9. So cool. This keyboard is pretty nice compared to obviously the rubber key Spectrums. I should take that off there. All right. So F9. Hey! So far so good. So I can load. I do have speakers connected. So why don't we try a music demo? I guess hit the number 1. It made some sound. Whoosh. See how the video's all shifted over a little bit? That's one of the things with these SCART to HDMI adapters. Let me turn up the sound. Whoa! Oh. That's a good sound. Good sign. Ugh. Darth Vader. So it looks like it's a little video sound type of demo. Very cool. Tiger. Cool. So far so good. Sound. I haven't hit every key on the keyboard, but I don't know how to stop this. I know there's a reset key. Where was it? Over here to the right, I think. Yeah, that's the power button. So. Oh! Okay, that worked. Okay, so I'm back to square one. Let's hit F9 again. Loading the floppy. Alright, I'm back. So this is a SAM Coupe Public Domain Software Association. Looks like it's got some other graphics demos, palette demos, sampler demo. The demos will auto-run if you don't select an option. Let's hit 5. So it makes a sound when you hit the button. Whoosh. Hopefully I've got the video coming in well enough. Yeah, you guys are getting the gist of it. It's not like I need a close-up. Sound sample demo by Edwin Blink. Press any key to start, then press space to end. Now, I don't see any graphics here. Maybe this is just sound only. No pictures, nothing. Maybe again, this is just a sound thing. All right. Let's hit reset. F9. Whoa. We'll try one more thing and then we'll call this a successful boot. So, palette demo, maybe I'd do 4. It's kind of nice to hear a floppy again. My Ataris, of course, have floppies, but none of my Spectrums do. Whoa! Hey, that's cool. Psychedelic. Probably hearing a hum. I've got the volume turned up quite a bit, so. Okay, let's try one more. Now, do I just hit space to go back to the beginning? Okay, yeah, that worked. Music demo. Let's do a graphics demo then. That'll be the last one we do. I think I'll go turn the volume down a little bit. The hum is annoying me. I don't know about the rest of you, but as you get older, getting up and under desks for cables and stuff gets a little bit more difficult. And I'm not really that old. I look old, but I'm only in my 50s, so. Okay. Chocoa? Looks like a little... I have no clue what this is, but it's picking up a little guy with a clown nose and moving it. Okay. A little dude with a mustache. Yeah, I have no clue what this is, but it's a graphic thing. So cool. All right. I think I'm going to end it there. Successful first boot. Got sound, got keyboard. I'll actually maybe do a future video here next on playing my first game on a SAM. And then start saving my pennies to get that Trinity device, because if I'm going to play lots of games and stuff, I need to get one of those. Cool. Success. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a nice weekend. See ya.